Welcome to nature. Be in nature. Be in Mother Nature's garden. I can't resist. I absolutely have to go barefoot here and do a little bit of grounding. To be in nature is to be with yourself. That just feels so much better already. Be in nature. Be with Mother Nature. She is so calming. She is so resilient. She is so healing. She is always perfect. She is beautiful beyond words. She is nourishing. She's encouraging. Hey there. Hey there.
I think you're being followed.
I think so. Oh, this just feels so right. Deep breaths. She provides the oxygen that I need for every single breath that I need. She provides it for me. And in return, she takes away my carbon dioxide. And she changes it back to oxygen again. And she gives me life. She gives us life. She gives you life. Feel this. It's like a natural trampoline. It's so spongy. It's so beautiful. Can you hear the river? Oh my gosh. Nature is a reflection of me and you. Look at her veins, the roots. These are her veins, and she takes what she needs from the earth. So we have to be kind to Mother Nature to ensure she can continue to give us what we need. These are her veins, and the greenery is her skin. And you notice in gardens, people often say, "Oh, I have lots of weeds. What can I do to kill the weeds?" There's no need to kill the weeds. Weeds are simply plants in places that perhaps you wouldn't want them to grow. Look at this fern growing between a rock and some moss. All she wants to do is cover her body with skin. We've all had an injury of some sort, whether when we were young, teenage years, older. Mind my video when this is an impromptu video. And whenever we have damage to our skin, it heals over time. Initially it may bleed, but it heals in time. But it always heals, or at least that's the way nature intends. So it's the same here with nature. If her skin is exposed, in other words, if there is no cover to her skin, If there is no greenery to her skin, she will provide it. And she will provide it by any means necessary. So here you can see it's provided by the moss and the tiny blades of grass and different plants in all different stages. It's not an accident. She needs the skin for protection. So maybe we can interpret that in our gardens, in our spaces, that it's her intention to cover the gardens and the bare soil to protect it and to protect us, essentially. So maybe we can think of it like this. In future, let's think of those weeds as wild plants, nature's plants. She wants to survive. I'm going to dip my feet in this river. Please make me not roll down. I'm not the strongest of swimmers. For those of you who know me, I'm not the strongest of swimmers. But this here, oh my gosh, she's calling my name. Beautiful, right? Oh, I have to finish that sentence. I said, I'm not the strongest of swimmers. I'm not the strongest of swimmers yet. There's always a chance that we can do better. But doesn't this sound great? Does this not sound great and rejuvenating? Wow. Wow. This is nature. Being in nature, it's so healing. You can hear it, you can feel it, you can see it, you can just tell. There's nothing artificial about this. Oh, I can see some fish. I can see some fish in here. The water looks so clear. I can see fish in here, darting around. Just sitting here and just breathing. Just breathing. There's really nothing more to do except just to breathe with nature. As I take in the oxygen, she takes in the carbon dioxide. She gives me oxygen, and we're connected. We're connected. What I don't need, she does need. What I don't need, she needs. And then she gives me what I need. I'm so glad I'm here. Please, in the comments, tell me, where am I? If you know where I am, leave it in the comments below. It's beyond beautiful. It's just so tranquil. I'll see you in my next video. There are my abandoned trainers. Isn't it ironic that of all the species on this planet, we, humans, are the only ones that wear footwear? Doesn't that amaze you? That everything else allows their feet to connect to Mother Earth, Mother Nature. Every single animal, every single species. There is no other that wears footwear besides us. So, I think if there's ever an opportunity to be barefoot or to be grounded, literally grounded, I think it's a great opportunity to be so. I think there's healing that comes through the feet. In fact, let me correct myself. I don't think, I'm certain. I'm absolutely certain of that. So allow yourself to go bare feet. Occasionally, frequently, at least sometimes if you can. Well, I do need to be mindful because whilst I'm enjoying being barefoot here, there are some muddy patches and it is not my intention to fall. But this is a lovely place to be. So, a short video to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to those of you who will be subscribers in the future. Thank you to those of you who have left comments. Thank you to those of you who watched just parts of the video, all of the video. Thank you to those of you who wish me well on this journey. I wish you well. I wish you well on a daily basis and in all your endeavours. I know that as human beings, we certainly go through challenges and struggles sometimes. None of us are immune to that. But it's very important, I feel, that when we come out to nature and be with nature, she reminds us that she's there to protect us and to guide us and to comfort us and to reassure us and to ensure us that everything is exactly as it's meant to be. When we come out into nature, it's a reminder that nature is a reflection of ourselves. So let's take care of nature, be with nature, and nature will always be with us, nourish us, and provide us with all the things we need. I'm so grateful for you coming out here and watching. I'm so grateful that you've taken a moment to be in this video, in this moment, in this time. Deep breaths. It's beyond amazing here. It's beyond amazing. If anybody knows where I am, please leave it in the comments below. If anybody would love to be here and come and visit with your family, with friends, or by yourself, to be alone, please leave that in the comment below. I'm going to be signing off soon, I'm sure. But I know me, when I walk around and explore, I'll probably see more. And I'm sure I'll probably add more to this video. But for now, I thank you and I encourage you to get grounded, connect with nature, and be in nature. Be in nature's garden. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. You are appreciated. You are loved. You are appreciably loved. Till my next video. Bye for now.